Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, thank you. FISRT of all. Engine type gas transmission continuously variable speed automatic drive type front wheel drive cylinders inline 4 total seating 5 basic warranty 3 years. 36,000 miles. Fuel and MPG fuel type regular unleaded EPA city, highway MPG 27/37 MPG EPA combined MPG 31 MPG range in miles, city, highway, 437.4, 599.4 miles. Fuel tank capacity 16.2 gallons. Engine base engine size 2.5 L cylinders inline 4 base engine type gas horsepower 188 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute torque 180 pound-feet at 3,600 revolutions per minute valves 16 cam type double overhead cam. DOHC, valve timing variable towing and hauling max payload capacity 1,043 pounds. Drivetrain transmission continuously variable speed automatic drive type front wheel drive suspension 4-wheel independent suspension yes front and rear stabilizer bar yes dimensions length 192.9 in. Overall width without mirrors 72.9 in. Height 56.8 in. Wheelbase 111.2 in. EPA interior volume 116.0 cubic feet. Cargo capacity, all seats in place 15.4 cubic feet. Maximum cargo capacity 15.4 cubic feet. Turning circle 37.4 featuring curb weight 3,285 pounds. Maximum payload 1,043 pounds. Gross weight 4,328 pounds. Country of final assembly United States front seat dimensions front headroom 39.1 in. Front leg room 43.8 in. Front shoulder room 58.2 in. Front hip room 54.7 in. Rear seat dimensions rear head room 36.9 in. Rear leg room 35.2 in. Rear shoulder room 57.1 in. Rear hip room 54.5 in. Warranty basic 3 years. 36,000 miles. Drivetrain 5 years. 60,000 miles. Rust 5 years. Unlimited MI. Roadside assistance 3 years. 36,000 miles. Thanks for watching, give a like and share to your friends. See you in the next video.